Okay, so we're going to do 24, and you can see AB right here. And we got FE, so it's like a reflection, right? So ABFE right here. And we got ACFD, which is right here, right? ACFD. Then we got angle A, angle F. So if you look at here, we have this side, this angle, and this side. It's all connected. These are called side angle side. Okay, so it is yes. You can see it's one of these, right? Side angle side. So it's a good one. Okay. Now the next one you see is just all angles. So that's no good. Okay. See, angle, angle, angle. When you do proof, you must have at least one that's a side. Okay. All right. So we're going to the next one. It says angle A, F, and BE, right? So we'll look at here. So we got NF is right here, A, F. We got B and E. Then we got AB and FE. See? That's right here. So we got angle, side, angle, right? All connected. This is called angle, side, angle. Okay, so you see? So I got it here. It says angle, side, angle, right? It's a yes. Okay. Then the next one you can see is side, 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 right? It's all sides. There's no angle. So on 27, we're saying it's all sides, so it's side, side, side. Okay. Then we're going to do 28. Okay. 28 is BE. Okay, so we're going to look at it. Angle B and angle E. And that's right about angle E and angle B, right? Okay. Then we got, we probably got, we got to take a look. And AC, FD, BC, ED. Okay. So we got ACFD, right? That's this side. And BC, ED. So you can see it's side, right? Another side, but not this angle. It's the other angle, right? It's B and E. So they're not all together. This is called side-side angle. And that is not good. Okay, you cannot use side-side angle. It will not work. All right, so any questions? Okay, so we're going to do the next one, which is 29. Okay, we got angle A and C and AB. So let's take a look. Okay, we got angle A is matching angle F. And we got angle C, and we got angle D. So these two angles are good, but we didn't use the side right in between, right? We used another side. So this is not angle, side, angle. We call it angle, angle, side. Okay, it's right here, angle, angle, side. So this one is okay. Okay, so that's this page. And the next page, we've got number 30. Okay, I've already written down all these. So you can see if you got a parallelogram, okay, then you have opposite sides, right? And the opposite sides are congruent. Okay, so then the opposite angles are congruent. And we have diagonals that are bisect each other. Okay, let me show you what this means. Okay. All right. Well, anyway, you know parallelogram, right? So just remember, opposite sides are parallel and congruent, and opposite angles are congruent. Diagonals bisect each other. And right here, a rectangle has a couple of additions. Okay, rectangle, you know, all angles are 90 degrees, right? Then we have, their diagonals are actually congruent. Okay, for parallelogram, the diagonals are one is longer than the other one. Then here it talks about square. Okay, the squares, all sides are congruent, right? You know that, but the diagonals are actually perpendicular to each other. Okay, that's 32. So we're going to draw a picture and make sure you understand that. Okay. Then we got triangle DEF is isosceles with angle D and E congruent. That means DF and EF sides are congruent. Okay. Then for the figure on the right, okay, it says these are midpoints. Okay, D and E are midpoints. That just means if this is 12, that's 12. Okay, if this is 10, right, this is 10 because the middle, right? Middle means the same. But this is not the same. Okay, you can see this is 22. This is a half. It's 11. You know, it's a half the size, the proportion-wise. Okay, it's a half. So I hope that's good. And let's go to the next page. And the next page, I'm going to show you. Again, this is a midpoint. Okay, so just remember, DE, BC are parallel. Okay, these are similar triangles. Okay, so I've got AD, BD, right? You can see AD, BD are indeed, they are congruent. And just remember, there's a little bar above, right? You got to have this. Okay, when you have this congruent sign, you got to have this bar. Just remember, it has a hat, so this has a hat. Okay, same with AE right here and EC. Okay, they're congruent. Then we said DE and BC are parallel. Okay, you can see. Okay, then it's going to ask you something else like AD, then AD, BD are congruent, right? And this is one way to write it. They're congruent. But this way is okay. See right here? There's no bar under it. I mean, no bar above it. So there's no bar here. Okay? Then this just means the same as A. Okay? It means they're congruent. Same with this. They're congruent. Now, of course, BC is 2 times the DE, right? Twice as long. And of course, the ratio AB, AD will be 2 to 1 right here. That's G. And for H, AE, AC is 1 to 2. It's just the opposite.